Hello kids, welcome in Kids Learning TV. In this video we write alphabet A to Z. Now we start to write alphabets. A. A. A for aeroplane. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C. C for chocolate. D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. H. H for house. I. I for iron. I for iron. J. J for juice. J for juice. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for mouse. M. M for mouse. N. N for nose. N for nose. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for tomato. T for tomato. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for wall. W. W for wall. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yogurt. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Now we revise it. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. and Z.